So good. You're here because you want more. More success, more wealth, more happiness. But guess what? The universe isn't just giving it away, it's mirroring what you put out. Your thoughts, your energy, they're magnetic. And today I'll show you exactly how to attract the life you deserve. Stick around. This will change everything. 1. Clarity. Be specific. Step 1. Get crystal clear. No more vague dreams like I want money or I want happiness. Nope. Drill it down. Say I'll earn $10,000 a month by December, or I'll wake up every day excited for work. Write it. See it. Clarity is power. Your mind needs a target to hit. 2. Align your beliefs. Here's the truth. You don't get what you want, you get what you believe. If you secretly think you're not good enough, the universe agrees. Flip the script. Replace "I'll never succeed" with "Success is mine. I'm unstoppable." Say it until your subconscious believes it. Boom. Doors start opening. 3. Visualize like it's real. Close your eyes. Feel the success now. Smell the office coffee. Shake your first client's hand. Hear the cha-ching of payments hitting your account. Do this daily. Your brain can't tell imagination from reality, so trick it. See it to be it. 4. Gratitude magnet mode. Complaining? That's repelling success. Gratitude? Rocket fuel. Every morning list 3 things you're grateful for. A warm bed, a loyal friend, anything. Gratitude shifts your energy. More blessings chase you. 5. Take action. Dreaming alone? Waste of time. The universe rewards movement. Want a business? Research now. Want a new job? Apply today. 1 small step today beats 100 big dreams tomorrow. Move now. 6. Cut the negativity. Your vibe creates your tribe. Ditch energy vampires, the complainers, the doubters. Swap toxic social media for inspiration. Protect your mindset like it's gold, because it is. 7. Believe hard. Self-doubt? Dream killer. Stand in the mirror and roar, "I am ready for success." Fake it till your brain believes it. Every winner felt fear, but they did it anyway. 8. Let go, trust. Here's the secret. Stop obsessing. Plant the seed, your goal, water it, take action, then let it grow. No digging it up to check. Trust the timing. Relax, it's coming. 9. Never quit. Obstacles good. They filter out the weak. Be the bulldozer. Fail, lesson, fall, bounce higher. Success loves the stubborn. 10. Give first. Want money? Help someone. Want love? Give love. The universe rewards givers. Add value first. Watch abundance chase you. Boom. You're now a manifestation machine, but don't leave yet. Smash that like button if this fired you up. Drop "I am in." Comment, "Let's build a success squad." And for daily power, subscribe to Quotes. Wisdom, your future self will thank you. Go get it. I'm rooting for you.